Indicate whether the equality is true or not. 5 cubed divided by the quantity 4 squared plus 3 squared minus the quantity square root of 100 minus 8 squared equals 5 cubed divided by 4 squared plus 3 squared minus square root of 100 plus 8 squared. Let's see if this equation is correct. First, we'll calculate the exponents. Ready? Remember, always work out the parentheses first. Next, let's figure out the root. Here we go. Now we'll solve more exponents. Don't forget, solve what's inside the parentheses first. Here's a tip. Negative times negative is always positive. Let's calculate those exponents once more. Now, figure out the root again. Remember to do multiplication and division before adding or subtracting. And there you have it. That's the solution to our question.